All right, folks, so I missed this last question on the notes, so I'll just go through it here. This one's a little bit different in that you in the previous examples, you were given the inside information. You were given stuff that was kind of in the middle section, and you worked your way out. This one, you're going to get stuff that's on the outside sections, and then you got to work your way into the middle. And I'll show you what I mean. So let's go through the first couple of sections here. Now there's some very important words that we have to keep note of. This word only in the first three. That means we're dealing with just that thing. So let's go through. There's 30 available only on CD. So that means we can put 30 in for sure. Another 130 are available only on video. Because of that word only, we know we can put that number there. And we can also do the 190 only available on cassette. Now, here's the trick for this. This part here, 22 titles, are available on both video and CD. So video and CD refers to this section here, okay? We know that there's 22 in that section. How it's split up between, the top little triangle-ish and the middle triangle, we don't know yet. We know that there's 22 there. We also get this part here that 17 are available on both CD and cassette. Again, we don't know how it's split up, but we know that if I can erase this, that 17 applies to this entire section, okay, that there's 17 there. And what else we got? 59 titles are available on CD. So that's all that section. Now, before I go any farther here, let's just assume that we can pencil in 22 for both these sections, all right? I don't know how it's split up, but I know that it's both of them. That means if we then focus on like this big circle here, okay, really what we have is the 59 total for CDs minus the 30 that are only CD minus the 22 that are CD and video. That leaves us with 7. Okay, now that 7 goes here. It has to be, because the total of this circle has to add up to 59. Now again, I don't know how this 22 is split up between these two sections. I don't care at this point. I just am going to assume that both of them are 22. Okay, so if that's 22 and this part is 7, we've got that much so far. Now let's do some more erasing here. Okay, the 22 is split between both these sections. Now 17 is split between these two sections here. Now if this part's 7, 17 minus 7 gives us 10 for that middle. Aha, now we're doing all right. So let's finish off this part here. This whole section is 22. Now if 10 of it has been accounted for, that means that this part's going to be 12. And the last section we've got to deal with is this little part here, okay? And you can approach that using the cassettes or the video stuff for information. So let's use the cassette. It's got 209 in total. So 209 minus 190 minus 7 and minus 10. That middle section leaves us with 2. Okay, just going to clean this up a little bit. Get rid of that, get rid of that, so as not to confuse ourselves. All right. How many titles are available in all 3 formats? That's that middle section, so 10. How many titles are available on cassette and video, but not CD? That's 2. This section right there.